How to filter the target store locator by services. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to filter the target store locator by services, start by opening up your web browser and head over to target.com. Then tap on Find Stores option in the top right. So once you're in the store locator page, you can see filter by services right there. You can just tap on it and you can see various filtering options that you can choose from. Just tick on the one of your choice. You can choose multiple ones. I'm going to tap on order, pickup, and then same day delivery. Now I'll tap on done filtering. And now, once you do that, the target stores will automatically update to show only the locations that offer those selected services. This lets you quickly find a target store that not only is near your location but also has the specific services you need. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.